Well, you're still watching Rotary in Action at ito po ang inyong lingkod, si PDG June Farcon. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng ating mga tagapanood worldwide. And tonight, we have a special guest for our PCRG Corner or segment. And please watch this.
Our guest has a degree in Bachelor of Science in Clinical Laboratory Science from the Loma Linda University of California, coupled with specialized courses from the University of California at Riverside and the San Bernardino Valley College. He eventually earned his master's degree from the Asian Institute of Management in Makati, Philippines. Married to Carmencita Alban Santa Cruz, they were blessed with 4 children. He joined the Rotary Club of Baguio Summer Capita in 1999 and became its club president in Rotary year 2004-2005 and assumed the governorship of District 3790 in Rotary year 2009-2010. He is a major donor level 1 of the Rotary Foundation, the Rotary Regional Coordinator for the countries of the Philippines and Indonesia, which covers Zone 7-8 for Rotary years 2012 to 2015, after serving as Assistant Coordinator for Rotary year 2011 to 2012. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our guest, past District Governor Rolando Oyan Villanueva.
Okay, please welcome our guest, my good friend, and I consider him as my idol in Rotary, the Rotary Coordinator for Zone 7A, past District Governor Oyan Villanueva of District 3790. Oyan.
Good evening, June. I am so honored to be here in your section, the Rotary in Action, PCRG section. Wow.
PCRG Corner.
PCRG Corner. Wow, talagang galing.
Well,
galing.
this is something that is we would like to also to bring the governors in this section and also non-governors. And this will be sponsored by PCRG or the Philippine College of Rotary Governors.
Wow.
Okay, Oyan, I understand you became a Rotarian in 1999 and in just 10 years you became a governor. That is in the year 2009-2010. In my standard, I call that a superstar in Rotary. But let me just ask you this. What made you join Rotary in 1999?
Well, in 1999, June, I was very hesitant to join any organization because I was very busy in my businesses. But then one day, merong nag-imbita sa akin at inimbita ako sa Rotary Club. And then from then on, June, my life has changed considerably. And ngayon, ever since that day in 1999, my life has been filled with fulfillment, being or living the life of a Rotarian. June?
And, okay, you mentioned about somebody inviting you to become a Rotarian. Alam mo naman, Oyan, in Rotary, you cannot become a Rotarian without this sponsor. Without somebody inviting you. And siyempre, alam naman natin na this is strictly by invitation. Now, na-mention mo na you have been you have your fulfillment as a Rotarian. In your experience, ano ba itong fulfillment po as a Rotarian?
Well, June, napakadaming fulfillment being a Rotarian. Every single day, alam mo naman dati dito sa Pilipinas, napakadaming kawang gawa pwede nating gawin sa ating kababayan. And then one of those instances na natatandaan ko that really transformed me from being just a member of my Rotary Club to being a Rotarian was when I saw the thankful eyes nung bata na nabigyan namin ng sapatos. Hindi mo ma-imagine, June, yung saya nung bata nung nabigyan mo siya ng sapatos at nagpapasalamat siya at lumuluha ang kanyang mata nung sinabi niyang marami pong salamat at ngayon hindi na siya maglalakad ng nakapaa doon sa eskwelahang pinupuntahan niya. And this for me was the fulfillment that is being given to any Rotarian any given day, June. This is for me is the fulfillment of being a Rotarian, June.
And bilang isang Rotaryo, kasapi ng Rotaryo, PDGO yan, personally, ano ba ang masasabi natin mga privileges that you have enjoyed as a Rotarian?
Well, sabi ko mga privileges. Ang privileges na maging Rotarian ay makakasama mo ang napakagaganda at napakakagwapong mga Rotarian sa ating mga Rotary Club meetings every single week. And not just that, hindi mo lang sila nakikita every single week, but also meron tayong opportunity to go meet other Rotarians as well when you go abroad. Imagine mo, June, yung ating Rotary pin na nakalagay lang dito sa ating lapel pagka tayo pumupunta sa ibang bansa. Pagka nakakita rin ang ibang Rotarian na merong kang Rotary pin, parang tayo magkamag-anak. But for me is the privilege of being a Rotarian, June.
I think I have to agree with you on that. Na-experience ko yan. Nasa ibang bansa, napaka-warm ng pagtanggap sa mga Rotaryo na katulad natin. Now, maliban doon sa alam ko na parati mo na i-share sa amin yan meron ka pa bang unforgettable Rotary story sa iyong buhay bilang Rotaryo?
Well, ang masasabi ko sigurong hindi ko makakalimutan at ang sigurong regalo na naibigay sa akin ng Rotary ay yung aking fulfillment na naging iba akong tao. Ngayon umiikot ako sa iba-ibang mga bansa at ako'y umiikot sa buong Pilipinas at naking naibibigay ang kasiyahan ng pagiging Rotarian, June.
Okay. Alam mo si Past District Governor Oyan ay pangkasalukuyan siya rin ng ating Rotary Coordinator at gusto ko sanang hingan siya ng kanyang parting message bilang Rotary Coordinator na siyang namamahala ng membership sa buong Zone 7A, and that means for the countries Philippines and Indonesia. PDGO yan, ang iyong mensahe sa ating mga kasamahan sa Rotaryo, ngayon ay membership month.
Tama ka, John. Maraming salamat at binigyan mo ako ng opportunity. Mga kasama ko sa ating Rotary Movement, ang sinasabi ko lang po sa inyo ngayong gabi ay mag-imbita po tayo ng iba pang mga tao na para masiyahan din sila dito sa ating ginagawa. Wag po ating ipagkait itong napakaganda at napakasayang Rotary International Movement na sinasabi natin. And I guess just like in 1999, nung oras na merong nag-imbita sa akin, it just takes one invitation from each and every one of us to change the lives of the people. Nung sinabi nating engage Rotary, change lives, nung hindi lang yung taong ating tinutulungan na nag-iiba ang buhay, tayo rin nag-iiba buhay sapagkat nakikita natin yung masaya at nagpapasalamat na mga mata ng ating mga natutulungan.
And I guess that means we have to light up Rotary through our new members in Rotary.
Correct.
So
correct.
this will conclude our PCRG Corner, and Rotary in Action will be back in a short while. Thank you very much, PDG Oyan, and we hope bibisitahin mo kami ulit in the future.
Maraming salamat, Judith. Congratulations, Judith.